So here we are, Linda Artisani, and I am here in the QB Community Mentorship Program. We're starting new, and I'm really fortunate to have Rossana with me and her husband. Actually a few things. We have a lot in common. We both work in law with law firm clients. We're both in Florida, the great state of Florida, and we both have dogs that come into our office. Our offices are both blue. So I'm going to hand it off to Rossana. She's going to introduce herself, her hubby, and tell us a little bit about yourself and your business.
Hi, yes, my name is Rossana, and this is my husband, Randy. He's my staff support in this part. And so I started my business 2 years ago, and my niche is the lawyers, which I love it. And I have a couple customers that I'm helping and working with. And then, okay.
California, remember?
And East Coast is so much better than in California coast.
Thank you for that. I love when we were just chatting before we turned the camera on, and I love that you were telling me how much you love lawyers, because you hear those words and I think people go, these people are crazy, but they're great to work with, right? I mean, we love, you work mostly with Clio. You'd like to get more people into lien law. That's how you found me, from a lien law video, which is really awesome. We have a couple of really important people from lien law that actually are in our group that are CEO and CTO, I think, or he's the customer success manager, Jonathan. And we've got a lot of people from lien law even in our group, and they would love to see you bring your clients here. But even if you don't, you can get in their accounting program. So you love the program, you love the ease of it. Did you put your name into that and get yourself on that?
Yes, I actually gonna contact Jonathan for make an appointment to talk to him, to introduce myself, and let him know, I mean, what is my goal, because I really would like to get the lawyers involved with it, and maybe switch, I'm sorry, Cleo, but maybe transfer them to the lien law app, because how it works, and it's a more friendly user product, and it's just focusing on the time management and the billing management, which is great. So it would make life much easier, and for me to get involved in their billing situation, which is one of the main concerns for lawyers, and of course time.
Yeah, what do they never have enough of? Time. Right? When you try to get a hold of them, they don't have time. So we'll get into some of that next week. But you already sound like a rock star. You already use Zoom. You know Clio. You're cloud-based. All check boxes checked off. You just gave lien law a great shout out. So that's another checkbox. And I think it's amazing. I think it was meant to be that we came together, and we're going to do this mentorship. We'll go through the program and go through some of the pain points that I deal with on a daily basis. You're going to deal with on a daily basis. We might be able to swap a few stories.
Yes. Oh, yes.
Deal with, we run into a lot. We had similar stories when we chatted earlier. So I think it's going to be a great partnership. I look forward to it.
I'm very excited.
Yes. Well, we'll end it here, but I wanted to at least, introduce you and go forward with it. And we'll just keep on rocking it next week. And we'll start to do the same thing like I did with Stephanie.
Perfect.
So thank you for joining. Thank you, darling husband, who's here as your support. So, I love that you call him your admin.
Yes.
Staff support.
Staff support.
Staff support. I like it. I'll have to have you define that next week. So great. Well, everybody, we're starting the mentorship again. So keep watching us, and we'll see you all next week.